Hi students, good morning. I am Vittal School science teacher. Okay. All of you take this your science books. Today Wednesday we have to learn page number 90 remember parts. Okay. All of you take your books, turn page number 90. We already discussed about some topics. Which topics are simple movements, joints, then role of the sense organs. Okay. Today we'll learn about role of sense organs. Okay, sense organs. What are the sense organs? There are 5 types. Which one? Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. These also sense organs. Okay. First of all, eyes. Sight. What are the see? Shape, color, size, distance, depth. Okay. Ears. Hearing. Loud and soft sounds. Sounds are 2 types. One loud sound or soft sound. Okay. Nose. Smell. Pleasant and unpleasant. Okay. Skin. Touch. Rough, smooth, soft, hard, fluffy, hard, cold and sticky. Tongue roll is taste. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy, bitter and astringent. Okay. Eyes roll is sight. Ears roll hearing. Nose roll smell. Skin roll touch. Tongue roll taste. Okay. Note for the teacher, let the children see, touch, hear, taste and smell different objects like cotton, oil, gum, sponge, bell, stone, chair, soap, floss, agapati, lemon, orange, salt, garlic petal and sugar. Carefully choose what is given to the children to taste. Ask them to describe the object using the words given above. This is the activity. You have to do this some activity. Okay. Write the names of the sense organs related to the descriptions given. You have the activity. Do this complete. Okay. Some sweet is given. Let us see. Some sweet is given. I show you yellow. What is the color? Yellow. Okay. Skin say you hard. It is hard sweet, you know. Okay. Skin say you hard. Skin roll is touch, you know. So skin say you it is hard. Crunch. What say crunch? Yes, very good. Ear say crunch. So the sweet is crunchy. Ear say you crunch. Next, tongue say you sweet. The sweet is sweet. All of you note your book in your write. சரியா? ஓகே. என்னென்ன ரைட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் நீங்களும் ரைட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. You watching the class? Take your books, pencil, eraser, etc. You must take it. Okay. Next, let's see. Do you know the skin is the largest sense organ in our body? Skin is largest sense in our body. Which one largest sense in our body? Yes, skin. Okay, skin spell palloma. Skin. S-K-I-N. The skin is the largest sense organ in our body. Okay. Next, see here. An elephant's trunk is actually a long nose. This is the elephant nose. What are they? Trunk. Okay, this is actually a elephant nose. What is the spell trunk? T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Next we see postures. Okay, the position of our body in doing various action is called posture. There is a correct way and incorrect way of doing various actions. Observe the pictures and find out. Let's see second picture. Now see here, this girl standing erect like position. Okay, she is standing erect. And first picture is she is standing like bending. இல்லையா, இந்த கேர்ள் வந்து நல்லா ஸ்டாண்டிங்காக இருக்காங்க, இந்த கேர்ள் பெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, டூ பிக்சர் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த கரெக்ட் ஒன். திஸ் இஸ் த வே ஆஃப் ஸ்டாண்டிங். திஸ் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் வே ஆஃப் ஸ்டாண்டிங். நம்ம நிற்கிற பொசிஷன் வந்து இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும், ஸ்டாண்டிங்காக இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும். தென் வாக்கிங். Let's see the second picture is the body shape is straight and erect. Okay, this is the correct way of walking. This is also he is bending, he is bend and walk. நம்ம இந்த பொசிஷனில் இருந்தோம்னா we body look bad. This is the good looking our body. Okay, so this is the way of correct walking. Next, sitting. This is the way of correct sitting. This is the do not way in this sitting. Okay, let us see. He is bending and watch the TV or computer. This is one bad for health. நம்ம ஸ்டாண்டிங் வந்து இப்படி நேராக ஸ்ட்ரைட் எரெக்டாக இருந்தால் தான் நமக்கு பாடி போஸ்டர் லுக் குட். திஸ் இஸ் ஒன் நாட் குட் இல்லையா. நம்ம இதை தான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். வி மஸ்ட் ஃபாலோ இன் திஸ் போஸ்டர். திஸ் இஸ் ராங் ஒன். ஓகே, பட் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த சில்ட்ரன் டூயிங் லைக் திஸ், யூனோ. எஸ், நம்ம குட்டி பசங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, இதே மாதிரி தானே ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவோம். கன்னத்தில் கை வச்சுட்டு பெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு தான் நம்ம பார்க்கோம். ஆஃப்டர் லாங் டைம் இதே ஃபாலோ பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா பாடி போஸ்டர் இந்த ஷேப்லேயே வந்துடும். இது ரெண்டுத்தில் எது கரெக்டாக இருக்குது, குட் லுக்கிங்காக இருக்குது? எஸ், திஸ் ஒன் இஸ் குட் லுக்கிங், திஸ் இஸ் நாட் அட் ஆல். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த வே ஆஃப் சிட்டிங். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், லிஃப்டிங். Lifting means some object take in the lifting. This is one is wrong. நம்ம ஒரு பொருளை எடுக்கும் பொழுது இப்படி எடுக்கக்கூடாது, ஏன்னா குருத்து பிடிச்சிக்கும், இல்லை some fractures make them இல்லையா. This is way of wrong lifting. நம்ம இப்படி பெண்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு திங்ஸை எடுக்கணும், இதுதான் வந்து கரெக்ட் வே. திஸ் இஸ் த வே ஆஃப் லிஃப்டிங். ஓகே, ஓகே. போஸ்டர்ஸ். அகைன் ஐ ரிப்பீட் யூ, போஸ்டர்ஸ். த பொசிஷன் ஆஃப் அ பாடி இன் டூயிங் வேரியஸ் ஆக்ஷன் இஸ் கால்ட் போஸ்டர். நம்ம செய்கிற வேலைகள் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த வேலைகளில் நம்ம என்னென்ன செய்கிறோமோ வேரியஸ் ஆக்ஷன்ஸ். வேரியஸ் ஆக்ஷன் மீன்ஸ் அ வாக்கிங், ஈட்டிங், ஸ்டாண்டிங், சிட்டிங், லிஃப்டிங், anyone. This is also various action. A various action is called posture. Okay, posture spell P-O-S-T-U-R. posture. Okay, okay. Standing, walking, sitting, lifting. These also now we discuss in our time. Okay, first standing. Which one is correct? Second image is correct. So she is standing straightly and neck should also erect. Yeah, body also straight and neck should also straight. This is the girl, bend the head and body. So this is the correct way of standing. Okay. Next, walking. His walk, body also standing and neck also standing. So this is the way of walking. Sitting. First one is way of sitting. This is the correct way of sitting. So this one is correct. Lifting. Which one is correct? This is one wrong, because இப்படி பண்ணால் என்னென்னா some fracture is made இல்லையா, இதுதான் correct. So first image is correct. Okay, always do the actions in the correct manner. It is good to sit on the floor. எல்லா ஆக்ஷன்ஸுமே நம்ம சரியாக பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு வந்து பாடி பொசிஷன் கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். பிகாஸ் டூ லைக் திஸ், ஷீ லைக் திஸ், நம்ம பாடி பொசிஷன் இந்த இமேஜ் போல் ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக இருக்கும். அதுவும் இல்லாமல் நம்ம தரையில் உட்காந்து எழுந்திருக்கிறது தான் குட் ஃபார் ஹெல்த் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. சரியா? இப்போ ஆனால் நம்ம டோன்ட் டூ திஸ் லைக் இல்லையா, நம்ம இதெல்லாம் இப்போ நம்ம பண்ணுறது இல்லை. இட் இஸ் குட் டு சிட் ஆன் த ஃப்ளோர். This is the correct manner in actions. Okay, next page number 92. Next we see stages of growth. There are 3 things which make us different from other animals in the world. Different from other animals. நம்ம அனிமல்ஸ்க்கும் ஹியூமன்ஸுக்கும் உள்ள டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வந்து 3. There are 3 difference in between animals and humans. Okay, first of all, we have an upright posture. We have an upright posture. This is the upright posture. நம்ம ஸ்டாண்டிங்காக இருப்போம் இல்லையா, ஆனால் அனிமல்ஸ் என்ன ஆகும்? This is like animal position. Okay, we can communicate using speech, but animals cannot speak இல்லையா. அனிமல்ஸ்னால பேச முடியாது. பட் ஹியூமன்ஸ் ஆல்சோ யூஸிங் ஸ்பீச் அண்ட் கம்யூனிகேட். வி கேன் திங்க். மனிதர்களால் திங்க் பண்ண முடியும், பட் ஹியூமன் டசன்ட் திங்க் இல்லையா. வாட் ஆர் த 3 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் இன் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃப்ரம் அனிமல்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹியூமன்ஸ்? வி ஹாவ் அன் அப்ரைட் பொசிஷர். திஸ் இஸ் த அப்ரைட் பொசிஷர். This is like animals. அனிமல்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம 4 காலில் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, தான் இது இந்த பொசிஷர். செகண்ட் ஒன், we can communicate using speech. Communicate means you say anyone give your mother. நீங்கள் அம்மா கிட்ட பேசுகிறது, அப்பா கிட்ட பேசுகிறது, இந்த மாதிரி கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா. நம்ம பேச்சு மூலிமா, ஸ்பீச் மூலமாக கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணுறோம். பட் animals do not communicate. Only animals make sounds only. We can think. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? think பண்ணுவோம். But animals do not think. See the picture. Now you are in your 2nd standard. Okay, I have grown from being a baby to a 6-7-year-old child. I can eat on my own. I can read, write and draw. I can play many games. Okay, this is the first stage of human. This is baby. நம்ம first இந்த ஸ்டேஜில் தான் இருந்திருப்போம் இல்லையா. next, this is the 2nd stage of growth. This is the third stage of growth. This is walk. And finally you are go to the school. Yeah, this is one first stage of growth, 2nd stage of growth, 3rd stage of growth, and 4th one finally we are meet in school. Okay, let's see. We are allowed to play games. Games are two types, indoor and outdoor. What are the types? Indoor and outdoor. Indoor spells INDOOR. Outdoor spells let's see. We are allowed to play games. Games are two types. There are one indoor and outdoor. Okay. Games are two types, indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games are Pallanguli, Dayam. So this is we play in our home. Okay. Indoor means we have two types of organs. One internal organs and then external organs. Yeah. Okay. Indoor games are we play in our home. What are they like? Pallanguli, Dayam and chess, carom board also indoor games. Okay. Next, outdoor games. Hopscotch. Hopscotch means pandi, top, pambaram. Okay, these also outdoor games. Which games are indoor games? Pallanguli, Dayam, chess, carom board. Carom board also indoor games. Outdoor games, hopscotch, top, cricket, kabaddi. These also outdoor games. Okay. Let's see. Some activities are given. You have to do complete this activity. Okay. Draw the other side and complete the letters. This is one. We complete make U. Okay. This is one H. And this is now we complete I. Okay. And this is one M. What are the letters we make? U, H, I, M. Okay, fine. See here, take the correct posture. What is the correct posture? This one is wrong. Why wrong? This boy is bend and net shirt also bending. So this is one wrong. He is sitting. His sitting position is straight and erect. So this one is correct. His standing position is also correct. Why this is correct? Yes. He is standing straight. Body should and neck should also straight. So this is one correct. Next we see, do it with your friends. Show the correct posture. This is one of the activity you have to do. First of all, sit, stand, walk, lift. Okay. Finally, we have to evaluation. Complete the sentence using the words given in the brackets. Okay. Looks, sound, smell, feel, taste. Honey taste sweet. Honey taste sweet. A feather is soft. A feather feels soft. நம்ம feather touch பண்ணோம்னா soft-ஆ feel பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? So this is one. A jasmine has a pleasant smell. This is one correct. Fourth one, a flower garden looks beautiful. Okay, looks beautiful. The cuckoo makes a musical sound. Okay. First we complete the sentence. Second one, write L for those that make loud sounds and S for those that make soft sounds. Loud sound na we denote L, soft sounds we denote S. Veena make loud or soft sound? Soft sound. So yes. Bell make soft or loud? Soft. This is one is loud sound. Okay. Second one is soft sound. This is one loud sound. Speaker is also made loud sound. Flute. Flute make soft sound. Bird. Cuckoo. I mean this is one cuckoo soft sound. Okay. First one is Veena make soft sound. Bell soft sound and L third one is loud sound and fourth one loud sound. Flute make soft sound. Cuckoo makes soft sound. Okay. Then match the following. First of all we give sugar. Sugar which taste sweet. So this is one A. We mention பண்றேன். Second one is lemon. Lemon which taste sour. அது புளிப்பு சுவையுடையது. Chilli. Chilli spicy. Sea water salty. Okay. Sugar taste sweet. Lemon taste sour. Chilli taste spicy. Sea water taste salty. Okay. Okay. Let us see. Put tick marks in the appropriate columns. Can be more than one column. Okay. Cotton. Cotton rough or soft or hard, fluffy, sticky. Cotton soft and fluffy. Gum. Second one gum. Gum is sticky. Stone rough, hard, feather, soft and fluffy. Wood like what? Rough, hard. Flower. Yes, flower petals are soft. Sponge. Sponge also soft and fluffy. Honey sticky. Okay. We complete this box. First of all, cotton make soft and fluffy. Gum is so sticky. Stone rough and hard. Feather feel like soft and fluffy. Wood feel rough and hard. Flower feel like soft. Sponge feel like soft and fluffy. Honey feels sticky. Next we see, put a tick for the correct posture and cross for the incorrect posture. 3 pictures are given in the below. First of all we see this is one wrong or correct. Yes, this is one is correct. So he is sitting straightly and neck should also straight. This is one is wrong lifting. She is standing. This is one also correct. Next we see name of the joints. Next we see name of the joints. Ankle, knee, wrist, elbow. Okay, first image is wrist. First image one wrist. Second one elbow. Fourth one ankle, and final one is knee. So some images are given, so we correct the name. First one is wrist, second one elbow, ankle, knee. Okay, self evaluation. I can do various action using my body in a correct way. I know the movements of different joints in my body. I can describe objects through my sense organs. I can identify some stages of growth. Okay. Today what we learn? Role of sense organs. Okay. Sense organs are 5. Which one? Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. Eyes say sight, ears say hearing, nose say smell, skin say touch and tongue says taste. Next, we have complete this activity. The skin is largest sense of organ. Okay. Next one, trunk is actually a long nose in elephant. Next we see posture. Okay. Doing various action is called posture. This is the correct way of standing position. This is correct way of walking posture. Then sitting posture. This is the correct one in lifting posture. Okay. And we see stages of growth. First point is we have an upright posture. There is no communicate using speech in animal. We can think, animals cannot think. Okay. Next we see indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games, pallanguli, dayam, chess, carom. This is also indoor games. Outdoor games, hopscotch, top, then cricket, volleyball, etc. Okay. This activities we complete. Second one, correct the posture. This is one wrong. This is the correct posture. This is the correct posture of standing. Do it with our friends. Show the correct posture. This is the activity. You complete the activity in our home. Okay. Finally, we have evaluation. We complete the evaluation answers. Okay, today class is over, children. Next we meet Thursday, third unit. Okay. Once again, growth of the lesson and evaluation part is very important one. Okay. Today class is over, students. Okay, thank you.